What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. All right, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I really appreciate the love. I really appreciate you checking me out. So please consider subscribing, and please also leave me a comment, you guys, and let me know what you think. I like that too. All right, and give me that thumbs up. Those is always nice to get. Okay, so let's get this Mexican street corn started. Okay, now of course you need some corn. All right, now let's start out what we need to do to make this. All right, now we're going to need our mayo, and I got mine with the lime juice in it. I got the Goya brand. Okay, we got that parquet margarine. All right, now we also got that cotija cheese. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry, and cayenne pepper. Yes, I said cayenne pepper. Okay, now you're gonna need your sticks. Yes, you need the sticks. All right, now we're gonna stick those on the flat end. I'll cut the ends at the bottom where you break the little stem off there, and just slice that, make it flat. Okay, so now we're just gonna get that stick in there. A little awkward, I'm right-handed, holding it over here with the left. Just push that down in there. Okay, see how easy that is? And yes, I'm going to be eating both of these. Yes. And we're going to know what my morning's going to be like. But yeah, anyway. Now, let's get started. And we're going to start with putting on the mayo first, okay? Like I said, I got mine with the lime. It's good for sandwiches too. Alright, now let's do that real quick and spread it on there. Now, you can put as much as you want. I like to make it even because we're going to be putting the margarine on there, okay? I've been eating this corn for a long time, before it all became real popular. Back about 20 years ago, I was pregnant with my second son, and I used to crave it. I go to a little Mexican store on the corner, and they had this corn. It was my first time trying it. I was hooked ever since. Just get mad at that man if he didn't have no corn. And now you can get it on every corner, because there's a store on every corner, and took all the fun out of it. But anyway, now let's get that cheese on here. Okay, that cotija cheese. Now, this is a little funky cheese. It's like Parmesan cheese to me, kind of. But I also put it on my spaghetti. So you just want to give it a nice generous coat. That's what I like to do, and even it out. Alright, now, I'm going to get that parquet margarine. Now, it used to be a commercial back in the 70s with this really silly commercial. A butter container would be talking back, and the guy was saying butter, and he go parquet, and he go butter. It was silly. You can check it out on YouTube. But you don't see them commercials anymore like that, butter. But anyway, now make sure your butter's at room temperature, because mine wasn't, and it didn't come out right. So now I got to spread it and get it right. But like I said, this is my plate. I'm gonna be eating everything. Ain't nothing to be swiping that cheese onto. You'll see. Now I'm gonna put some of that cayenne pepper on there. All right. Get a little spicy on there. All right, that's it. That's all you gotta do. All right, now I'm gonna make the second one, because like I said, I'm gonna be eating both of these and just repeat. Okay, now let's give it a taste. Ooh, yes, nice and juicy. Yeah, good, just like I remember. Got me dancing over here. All right, y'all, that's how you make Mexican street corn. Make sure you get your this Goya with the lime juice in it. All right. Thank you guys again for watching. I appreciate the love that I've been getting lately, for real, because without y'all, I wouldn't be doing this, okay? So thanks for watching, all right? What You Cooking, Roach. Bye-bye.